This is the second generation of Toyota's CHR, a mid-size crossover that started life in 2017 as a funky SUV. It slots into the Toyota range above the Aygo X and Yaris Cross, but it's smaller than the RAV4. CHR hits all the latest trends in design. Two-tone paints, contrasting roof, slimline LED headlights, aero LED styling, and even this season's must-have full-width rear light bar. The new model launches initially with 1.8 and 2.0-liter versions, powered by 5th-generation Toyota full hybrid technology that ups both power and efficiency. The 1.8-liter hybrid delivers 140 horsepower and front-wheel drive, while the 2.0-liter ups power to 198 horsepower and gets the option of all-wheel drive. A 2.0-liter plug-in hybrid arrived in spring 2024. The interior is jazzed up from what we'd usually expect inside a Toyota. The plastic have been given fancy new textures and patterns, and there's certainly a better variety of material inside. It feels more premium than before. All models feature high-resolution 12.3-inch displays for the central touchscreen, running Toyota's latest interface, and fully featured in terms of connectivity and net-based services. The sweeping dash and cockpit-style design also give off a sporting feel, and regardless of variant you get comfortable seats, heaps of adjustment, and premium-feeling materials which all have at least partial recycled properties. 4 grades are available. The Icon, Design and Excel grades come solely with the smaller hybrid, while the GR Sport and Limited Run Top Spec Premier Edition are exclusive to the 2.0-liter. If we talk about the pricing, then the Icon grade is priced at £31,290, Design grade is priced at £34,685, move up to the CHR Excel priced at £38,150. The GR Sport is the entry grade for the 2.0-liter hybrid. It's priced at £40,465, and the Premier Edition sits at the top of the launch lineup, priced at £42,270, with all the standard and optional Excel features, plus leather upholstery and an exclusive bi-tone exterior.